Hello everyone, welcome to a Market Matters update video for the ARK Fund with me, Dr. Diffins. In this video, I'm going to provide a quick update on the ARK Fund that was started, I believe, a week ago now. And just by looking at this view here from our TD Ameritrade account, the fund is currently at $1,063.99. You'll remember that it was started with $1,000. We started the fund with $1,000. So looks like we're in some profit here. And in a minute, we'll drill down to see exactly kind of where the profit's being made and what's going on. Here, I'm going to go ahead and let's take a look at the ARK Invest. I'll put a link in the video if you missed the beginning part where we talked about actively traded ETFs. But you'll remember that ARK, they have 6 distinct ETFs all around innovative themes. And the goal of this fund was to buy an equal weight or an equal amount of these 6 ETFs along with the block ETF to provide crypto exposure in the stock market. So it looks like, by looking at these positions, it looks like I only have 4 of the ARK funds. I have ARK-W, ARK-G, ARK-F, and ARK-K. So I'm missing, I'm missing ARK-Q, which is the autonomous tech and robotics. I'm also missing ARK-K or ARK-X over here, which is space exploration and innovation. So I'm going to have to go ahead and add those 2 ETFs to this portfolio. I'm thinking it's because when I put in the order, I used limit orders, and those 2 must have opened above the price that I put that I was willing to pay, which of course means that now I'm going to have to pay a higher price, obviously because my order didn't get filled. But that is okay, because remember, this goal is to track and monitor this portfolio over the course of a year with incremental buying throughout the year. So just taking a quick look here, we have the block ETF, which was filled at a price of $21.35, currently trading at $22.71. So it's a 6.37% gain. ARK-G, we're looking at a 6.8% gain. And then ARK-K, ARK-F, and ARK-W, it looks like those did very well, or they're currently sitting pretty well, with an 11.7% gain. So the current gain, again, would be $63.99 in terms of dollars. You'll see that for the thumbnail, I used a sunny arc to describe the portfolio, at least how it's doing right now. But of course, we know for the last like 6 months, the stock market's been very volatile, with most of the movement being down. And let's see, I'm just going to do a quick highlight here. Actually, this chart can show us, you see this ARK-K, again, 6 months ago it was trading at about $100, and now it's trading at a little more than 45. So it's one of those things where you don't forget that this is still a very volatile stock market. You may do well here, and then next week we may come on, or next 2 weeks, we may come on and see something that's totally different. Okay, so the next steps are going to be purchasing those 2 ETFs. That's going to be ARK-Q and ARK-X. And then I see here, I have the funds to pay for it at $341. Those would have gone towards those positions. And then, because this is an update video, I will also be adding $125 to the portfolio. And at the next update, we will see what I purchased with that $125. Remember, the goal to run this portfolio for 1 year, equal weight ARK ETFs along with the block ETF for cryptocurrency exposure. All right, this was a short update. I thank you for your time, and as always, this is Dr. Diffins signing off. Bye-bye.